Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Friends channel. This channel discusses all about health. I hope may we all always be in good health. In this video, we will tell you about 5 exercises to get a smaller waist. The low waist, hip and bust ratio is a classic expression of youth and femininity. 5 abdominal and core exercises to keep your hips small. The core muscle tissue is not just made up of abdominal muscles or six-packs. They are the muscles deep inside the abdominal and back muscles that attach to the spine or pelvis. Some of these muscles include the oblique and oblique muscles. This is usually the case when thinking about lower back workouts, or when focusing on toning and reducing the appearance of the central part. Training your abdominal and core muscles offers a huge benefit not only in appearance, but also in strength, movement, and stability. Here are 5 great exercises to work your abdominal and core muscles to tighten your waist. Number 1. High plank. While the plank is an exercise that trains your body from head to toe, it also helps strengthen your core muscles, including your abdominals and lower back. The plank is a simple and effective bodyweight exercise that can be done anywhere, and easily incorporated into your daily routine. It will also be easy to move from the plank position into a number of other exercises to train your waist. How to do a high plank. Start on all fours with hands stacked directly under shoulders, and knees bent, and stacked directly under hips. Step 1. Leg back at a time to come into a high plank position on palms, actively squeezing heels and glutes together and drawing the navel to spine. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat. Number 2. Plank shoulder taps. While you're in the high plank position, adding shoulder taps is the next simple step in your smaller waist routine. The plank with shoulder taps helps to strengthen your core and glutes, contributing to a smaller waistline. An added benefit is that you can work your arms and shoulders at the same time. Like the high plank, this exercise will help to reduce lower back pain, improve posture, and tighten your midsection. How to do a plank with shoulder taps. Start on all fours with hands stacked directly under shoulders, and knees bent and stacked directly under hips. Step 1. Leg back at a time to come into a high plank position on palms, actively squeezing heels and glutes together, and drawing the navel to spine. Lift one arm off the ground, tap the opposite shoulder, and return that hand to its original position on palms. Repeat on the other side. Continue alternating between sides for 20 to 30 repetitions. Number 3. Vacuum twists. It might be a funny name, but it is touted as the #1 exercise that will change your abs and core, flatten your belly, and just might change your life. Vacuum twists help to strengthen and work the deepest ab muscles we have, and can also improve your posture. If you choose just one ab exercise that will help you achieve a smaller waist, the vacuum twist is the one. It is possibly the holy grail of an ab or waist exercise, and can be done as a routine part of your day. Try incorporating this into your morning routine as part of getting ready for the day, or while you're standing in the kitchen waiting on a timer. How to do vacuum twists. Step 1. Stand up, have good posture, and inhale. Exhale all the air out, and at the bottom of the exhale, draw in. This is not sucking in your stomach. Draw in from the bottom up. Use those lower muscles. Put your arms up with hands somewhat behind your head, while holding the squeezing position. Twist from side to side. Then exhale. Number 4. Fire hydrants. How to do fire hydrants. Start on your hands and knees. Your knees should be touching, and your hands should be shoulder width apart, and directly below the shoulders. Keep your back straight, and look directly towards the floor at all times. Lift one leg up and away from your body at a 45-degree angle. Keep your knee positioned at 90 degrees, and try to lift it until aligned with your hips. Slowly lower it back to the starting position, and repeat on the other side. Number 5. Squats. How to do a squat. Step 1. Stand with feet between hip and shoulder width distance apart, and your toes turned slightly out. Your spine should be neutral. Shoulders back and chest open. Make sure you keep heels down, and keep them planted throughout the move. Initiate the movement by sending the hips back as if you're sitting back into an invisible chair. Bend knees to lower down as far as possible with chest lifted in a controlled movement. Keep lower back neutral. Press through heels to stand back up to starting position. Repeat. Combining these simple exercises into your daily routine will have you on your way to a smaller, firmer waist and midsection in no time. Even the simplest movements, done consistently, will make the most difference over time. It is unnecessary to do extreme diets, long workouts, or risk injury with heavy weights, and it's most important to focus on what you are willing to reasonably create time to do as part of your daily routine. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.